Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talked for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Best thing that I'll ever know.
has been a friendly kid. As parents, we have tried to inculcate the core values in order for him to lead a life like a true gentleman. Osman, these last 30 years, has matured in a fully grown tree, laden with fruits of love, respect, empathy, and patience. As they say, matches are made in heaven. And it was here in Singapore that Osman met Aleena. In Aleena, we found our second daughter. Her love and respect towards us earned her a special place in our hearts. And in her caring attitude, we see reflection of our own daughter. We are so delighted that Aleena is joining our family. Now, ladies and gentlemen, due to the prevalent situation, none of our close relations and friends could join us today. Their presence is missed a lot, especially our beloved daughter, Sarah, who is virtually with us from London.